Hello and welcome to another installment of the Andersen Weather Watch. I'm Airman First Class Adam Harder. Today we'll be focusing on an element of Guam's unique weather that can be easily overlooked, but can cause a threat to many aspects of everyday life here if not readily alert. That element is wind. With Guam's proximity to the equator, residents of Andersen will experience a near constant series of pressure systems unlike any they are used to in the States. This is due to a phenomenon known as trade winds. Trade winds are a consistent pattern of winds within the lower portion of Earth's atmosphere, and due to Guam being surrounded by water, there is a lack of friction that would typically cause these winds to slow down. What this means is that Guam receives the impact of that wind at full force.
We're right next to the equator, so what we're dealing with is like trade winds from north and south hemisphere converging on the equator, and so that just creates a lot of harsh winds. And specifically with Andersen, we're on an island and we're on the high point of an island, so the winds are forced up the cliff and then into the base.
Since Andersen gets caught in such uncommon wind conditions, residents of Andersen are urged to take the proper safety precautions in preventing damage to their property and their loved ones.
Well, the safest place to be during any high winds is going to be inside. But if you are caught outside, the things that you want to be aware of is any flying debris. So one of the things that we can do as a community is make sure that our items outside are tied down or secure.
Objects that need to be secured in the event of a wind advisory are canopies, as Guam's high-speed winds often detach them from their frame. Also, any outdoor equipment such as grills or patio furniture should be taken inside to prevent them from being damaged or becoming a projectile. Residents living on Guam are even urged to remove coconuts from the palm trees on their property. This is because airborne coconuts have been known to cause damage to vehicles and people. In addition, make sure that when a wind warning is in effect, your storm shutters are closed, and try to stay indoors. With the proper safety precautions, residents can greatly lessen the hazards caused by Guam winds. Tune in for the next segment of the Andersen Weather Watch, and stay safe, Team Andersen.